Hey there. So I had a few questions on these C6 rear brake scoop kits when I asked about which quarter panels you have from which vendor. And I'm going to show you what the information is we're looking for here. So this is an OEM style measurement. So it's the same measurements and same dimensions as the OEM GM parts that would have come from the factory, because that's what OEM means. Now, this distance here between the scoop and the bracket, it's around, I stretch it a little bit, so it's somewhere around 3.5 millimeters. Now that is going to correspond to the thickness, the maximum thickness of the quarter panel. When this is installed in the car, this piece is visible from the outside. This goes on the inside of the quarter panel, and it sandwiches the SMC panel between them. So if your quarter panel is more than that, this part won't fit. You'll actually wind up just breaking the scoop and potentially cracking your quarter panel if you try and force it on. If that happens, let me know. We'll figure out a way to get it replaced for you. Now, this one is made, it's labeled with a 4. That means a 4 millimeter offset. So this should be good for up to a 7.5 millimeter panel, which is a little higher than some of the hand-layup fiberglass from ACI and some other companies. So I'll zero my caliper out here, and I will check those out. So yeah, so that's going to go up to 7, depending on, it's going to vary slightly along this channel here. And the reason that is because these teeth here are shifted back towards the back of the car by that. So this isn't for 4 millimeter panel, it's for 4 millimeters over stock. So I guess I could clear that up and label it differently, but whatever. And when those teeth are shifted back, I can go ahead and take this thing, pop it together. Yep. There we go. Nice click. Now, because those teeth are farther back, it lets the scoop slide farther forward, leaving that extra gap. So I can make these anywhere from -2 millimeters, of which has some of the carbon fiber parts that come in very, very thin, or up to about a +8. But if you're doing +8, that's like a 12 millimeter. That's like you don't want that on your car. So for now, we recommend a 4 millimeter for ACI, for OEM and Faircloth, and also SS Vet. We recommend just the OEM dimensions. And if you have any questions, let me know. Cheers.